In this guide, we'll explore how to easily travel from Amsterdam to Zaanse Schans, famous for its iconic windmills and charming traditional villages. Whether you prefer a taxi, Uber, or Bolt, we'll walk you through each option, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable trip for your adventure. When choosing your ride, consider traditional taxis, Uber, and Bolt. Taxis are readily available but can be costly. Uber offers convenience and flexibility, while Bolt is typically more affordable. Each option has its own advantages, and it's essential to weigh them based on your needs and budget. To use a taxi, you can either flag one down on the street or pre-book via apps. The fare to Zaanse Schans typically ranges between 40 to 60 euros, with a travel time of around 30 minutes, depending on traffic conditions, making it a convenient option for travelers. To request an Uber, first open the app and enter Zaanse Schans as your destination. Choose the vehicle type that suits your needs, from economy to premium options. Take note of the fare estimate provided before confirming your ride to ensure it fits within your budget. To use the Bolt app, download it and enter your destination, Zaanse Schans. Bolt often offers competitive pricing compared to Uber and taxis, making it a budget-friendly option. Additionally, the app features real-time tracking and easy payment options, enhancing your overall travel experience. The average travel time from Amsterdam to Zaanse Schans is about 30 minutes, regardless of the transportation option you choose. Traditional taxis may cost between 40 to 60 euros, while Uber and Bolt can offer lower fares, typically ranging from 30 to 50 euros, depending on demand. For a smooth journey to Zaanse Schans, download the necessary taxi or rideshare apps in advance. Make sure your phone is charged to avoid disruptions. Always verify driver details, such as the vehicle model and license plate, before getting in to ensure your safety and avoid confusion. In conclusion, each transportation option, taxi, Uber, and Bolt, offers unique advantages, from flexibility to affordability. We encourage you to choose the option that best fits your travel style and budget. Please share your experiences in the comments below, as your insights can help fellow travelers.